Exposed. Our done-for-you, commission-generating profit machine makes us $29.73 every 60 seconds. On autopilot. I have 3 questions for you. Have you ever wanted to make an amazing living doing something you actually love? Do you ever feel like just quitting your job? Do you wish you could just have the freedom to do whatever you want? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you're going to want to pay very close attention to this presentation. Hi, my name is John and I'm an affiliate and online marketer. If you've ever felt frustrated and like nothing seems to work out, I can relate. Because not so long ago I was in the exact same position as you. Before I discovered this simple blueprint, I always wanted to be a full-time online marketer. I suspected the big marketers, aka gurus, knew something I didn't. But I didn't know for certain. I had this nagging feeling that I was being kept in the dark. But the media and all my friends always said how powerful online marketing is. Did you know that stats reveal affiliate marketing is estimated to be worth $12 billion globally? And that the affiliate marketing industry has grown 52% for the past 5 years? And it's only going to grow larger in these uncertain times. In a few minutes, I'm going to reveal my simple blueprint. You're going to discover why this is the simplest way to stuff your account with daily commissions. Finally, I'll show you why my ultimate traffic blueprint will send you all the buyer traffic you'll ever need. Watch now or miss out. This information is very controversial in nature. And I can't guarantee it will be around forever. Watch this presentation now, or you might never discover this simple system on your own. It took me years of trial and error to uncover these secrets. But if you thought your frustration in the past was bad, think of it like this. Nothing will prepare you for the future if you don't unlock this information right now. Introducing ATM Profits. You see, I saw that ordinary people were really getting fooled by misinformation. I wanted to help by sharing what works for me. So I decided to outline this simple blueprint for you. And make it as easy as possible to implement with heaps of done-for-you resources and tools. Solving all your marketing problems with ATM Profits is easy. All you need to do is copy and paste my methods, then you're all set. With ATM Profits, you can never worry about an empty affiliate account again. This is the closest thing to having your own automated profit machine on tap. ATM Profits comes packed with great features like ATM Profits Blueprint. Covered step-by-step in over-the-shoulder video. Easy to follow. Do this then that guides have you up and running fast. Exclusive done-for-you resources. This isn't available anywhere else. Where most systems show you what to do, we give you the system we actually use that pay us daily. Ultimate traffic system. Where most systems leave this out, in ATM Profits, traffic is covered from A to Z. You'll be shown exactly how to set up targeted traffic and show you the best traffic to tap straight into for the best results. Just plug this in and your profit ATM is all set. Easy money case study. In this case study, you'll see how I banked $921.85 in 31 minutes using these methods. Click the button below now to get ATM Profits for a low one-time fee. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what our beta testers are saying. Javier says, John and Cynthia, you just keep bringing these high-end courses. Bill says, ATM Profits is a banger. Game-changing and powerful. And Brian says, the blueprint for your success. I often get the question, how do I know ATM Profits will work for me? The truth is, this blueprint has consistently worked for 100% of beta testers. I also get the question, can I really do this? In reality, almost everyone can with even hardly any effort at all. But there's more to ATM Profits than what I've already told you. As a valued customer, you will get access to a private member area with VIP support. I will also fully guarantee your purchase by giving you a 365-day guarantee. The price for all of this is normally $97 per month. But for today only it's just $12.95. We've also added some great bonuses. Bonus number 1, Commission Secrets. Value $997. Bonus number 2, OLSP Traffic Domination Group. Value $997. Bonus number 3, Supreme Paydays. Value $997. Bonus number 4, Profit Force. Value $997. Bonus number 5, Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded. Value $997. But this offer is going to be around for a limited time only. We may close the offer after 200 people get access. And it will be returning to a monthly fee after this launch period. Imagine knowing you had the opportunity to tap into this ATM profit system, but didn't. An opportunity like this is once in a lifetime. If you want to really create a life of freedom, the time to take action is now. The main reason newbie and intermediate marketers struggle is not having a system to easily follow and having no support. ATM Profits solves this with spades. Remember, you get the ATM Profit Blueprint and the Ultimate Traffic Blueprint. You also get done-for-you tools and resources, and the Easy Money Case Study. P.S. Here's a recap of everything you're getting. You're getting the easiest and fastest way to fill your affiliate account with your very own automated profit machine. With our ATM Profits and Ultimate Traffic Blueprint. You also get the step-by-step tutorials, case study, and the 5 premium bonuses. Click the button below now to lock in the lowest price possible. The time to create your life of freedom is now. Click the button below to get started, and we'll see you on the inside.